Hello one. So I just playing with this PC for a long time, and yeah, I get it almost working, but it's still starting very long time. Anyway, it's time to cook something, but first I need to clean up a little bit all this mess. Anyway, bring you back in later. Okay, just clean up a bit. So table, kitchen, everything nice and clean, and that's my ingredients today. So grinded meat, bacon I will grind as well, it's already pre-cut. Anyway, cabbage, egg and rice, and this is bowl for mixing, and I need to just combine all those stuff together, cook the cabbage, and then I bring you all back so we all see what I just made. Okay, so that's the meat, eggs. I did take first layer of the leaves from the cabbage, put it aside for now. Anyway, cabbage is in this pot, nicely floating, and in this water is pinch of salt, pinch of sugar, and tiny splash of oil. So now I need to cook those guy. So we're waiting, and in middle time I will play with the meat. Okay, did put little spices on the meat. Anyway, put another pot for the rice. I believe 3 bucks will be enough. But anyway, box says 10-12 minutes for cooking time. But I will cook it only around, yeah, let's say 6, max 8 minutes. So, see you then. Okay, so guys, first cabbage leaves go off from the self head, and basically you don't want to cook it, you just want to be able to take away the whole leaves from the whole head. And as well, there is rice already done. I'm just waiting until it gets a little bit colder. Yeah, perfect. So just waiting for the cabbage leaves and rice, and then we begin to play. Okay guys, it's time for action. Got my meat mixed with rice and spices. Got my cabbage cooked, not cooked, but yeah, got my leaves. There is leftovers, not actually leftovers, this is the first leaves what I took at the beginning. And there is my pot, and by looking at it, I believe this will be not big enough. Okay, give me a while. Okay, small adjustment. That is my pot. That should fit. Anyway, what I will do now, I will take those meat, fill up those leaves, and drop it into this pot. But before I drop it, I will put all those leaves at the bottom, what I just take out at the beginning, just for keeping everything from burn, and yeah, have it nice cooked. So let's just use those leaves, why not, to prevent everything to stay at the bottom of, to burn to the bottom of the self pot. Anyway, I will drop camera into the holder, just like that, and try to make first one, and I choose the leaf from around middle section, so this I put aside, and let's grab that one. What I will do next, just grab a yeah, let's say spoonful of those meat. Put it at the beginning of the leaves. Yeah, that's look reasonable amount. And then I try to just wrap it like an candy. So to the front, to the sides, and roll it over just like that. And such a small, nice packed package I will drop onto the pot in here. And I want to squeeze them quite well because I will cook it later on. Okay, so let's just drop some meat. Try to form it a little bit, then get one roll, keep the sides in, and then go forward and roll it all the way as I can, and try to squeeze them as much as I can. Anyway, if you know that dish, let me know the name. Okay, cool guys. I will just play with those leaves and those meat and try to put it inside and bring you back later on. Okay, so a lot of meat left, some leaves left. First layer in my pot look like that. So let's continue. Okay, so I have some meat left, and as well I skipped at the bacon. So anyway, that's the effect. I just need to find out what to do with the rest of the meat. And this guys in here I will just cover with the water and take the rest of cabbage, cover it up, and then I will just cook it until everything gets nice and soft and ready. So see you soon then. Okay guys, look like I finished up. Leftover meat is in the oven. I just fry it and just, yeah, what else I can do with that. So I just fry it and put it into the oven and make grind meat cutlets or whatever you call it. Look like that. If I can open, oh, without burning. Okay, I took it out with two hands, so that's the look. Dang, I cannot even catch it with one hand. Anyway, okay, so that's the look. I'll leave it in the oven for a few more minutes. Anyway, that is it. Let me just put it back. Much easier with two hands. Anyway, that is the effect of the rest. I did put some potato concentrate on it just to give a nice taste and let's say aftertaste, and it was in like 40 minutes. So right now I will just stop it off, shut it down to the zero, and we'll took it out to one nice dish and cover with this sauce a little bit and leave it as it is, because I believe it's very ready now. So okay, look guys, I have a big bowl filled up with those stuff. Perfect. I'm very satisfied, and I believe there is one more in this pot. Yeah, there is one more what will not fit into this bowl, so it means this is for me. Yay. Anyway, I will just put a little bit of this sauce on it, and I'm very satisfied. Perfect. So that's the effect of today's cooking evening. There is as well something in the oven, what you already see. Yeah, let's just shut it down. So this in the oven will be for dinner tomorrow, and this will be for evening. Perfect. I hope you all enjoyed that, and see you all at the next one. Take care everyone, and Merry Christmas.